Hello everyone, John here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon. We're off of Craig Lake Highway. Get a chance to talk to you about amazing 2026 Thrive Winnebagos, new to the floor plans and new complete redesign, and they did an amazing job. Let's just point out some of the details. They have a nice JBL premium sound system, paint match on the bottom portion of it, double axle, reinforced steel underneath, redesigned solid steps to get inside the coach, massive power awning to match the rest of the color itself, onboard solar, underbelly enclosed, still keeping the independent stabilizing jack systems, aluminum frame, 1.5 inch thick foam block insulated here for you, easy access for the steps to get inside the coach. Floorplan's 24 RKS. Lots of counter space for the rear kitchen. 3 stove top gas burner, built-in oven. Actually a place to set up your silverware there for you. Soft close cabinetry, convection or standard microwave up above. 12 volt refrigerator, close to 10 plus cubic feet of refrigerator space inside. Face-to-face dinette with that massive table, easy to convert to another bed. Infotainment center there, right next to the theater seating that do recline. Providing puck lighting all the way around to give it that nice modern look. You are going to have ducted air front and back of the coach itself. Nice little hallway to separate the living and kitchen area. Porcelain toilet. Continue that nice counter space into the bathroom vanity. Dome for extra headroom if you need, of course. Coming back here to the master room with another AC unit up above to keep it nice climate controlled. Can't forget the emergency exit on the backside. One thing I do like is the Winnebago is starting to do is also provide nice wardrobe closet space. Plug-in outlets there for you. Keep everything organized. Easy to lift up. Blackout shades all the way through. So if you have any questions, want to come down and look at our Thrive lineup, ask for John, one of our associates. Be happy to help you.